In the stillness of the morning, as the world awakens to a new day, there is a moment of profound clarity. A moment when we can reflect on the privilege of being alive. The Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius once beautifully captured this sentiment when he wrote, "When you rise in the morning, think." Number 1. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a profound practice that can have a transformative impact on your life. When you cultivate gratitude in the morning, it goes beyond the simple acknowledgement of the positive aspects of your life. It becomes a powerful lens through which you view the world. Gratitude ritual in your morning routine. Take time to engage in deliberate gratitude ritual rather than just listing things you're thankful for. Immerse yourself in the feelings of gratitude as you express thanks for the warmth your blanket feels, the comfort it provides. When you acknowledge a loved one smile relishes the emotions it stirs within you. This depth of gratitude shifts your focus from the mere acknowledgement of blessings to a profound appreciation of the richness of your life's emotional resonance. Gratitude isn't just cognitive. Exercise is an emotional practice, allowing yourself to truly feel. Thank you for infusing your morning with positivity and contentment. This emotional resonance sets a harmonious tone for the day, making you more resilient in the face of challenges, better equipped to handle stress. Gratitude for challenges in addition to appreciating the positive aspects of your life. Practice gratitude for the challenges and difficulties you faced. These challenges are valuable teachers who have contributed to your growth and resilience. By acknowledging their role in shaping, you can approach each day with wisdom gained from overcoming adversity. Number 2. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is the foundation of personal growth and achievement. It's about making choices that align with your long-term goals and values. When faced with temptations or distractions in the morning, the practice of self-discipline sets a tone of empowerment for the rest of the day. Morning ritual of self-discipline begins your day with an intentional act of self-discipline. This might involve waking up earlier than you usually would to allocate time for activities that nurture your physical, mental, or emotional well-being, whether it's dedicating time to exercise, meditation, or reading Stoic literature. This act reinforces your commitment to personal growth. Stoic virtues in action. Self-discipline aligns closely with Stoic virtues such as courage and temperance. It takes courage to make choices that prioritize long-term well-being over immediate gratification. Temperance or moderation guides your decisions and prevents excessive indulgence. Embrace self-discipline as a Stoic practice that embodies these virtues, enhancing your ability to act in accordance with your principles. Resilience through self-discipline. Self-discipline cultivates resilience. When you consistently make choices that reflect your values, you strengthen your resolve and build a sense of self-efficacy. This resilience becomes a valuable asset as you encounter challenges throughout the day, allowing you to stay committed to your Stoic principles in the face of adversity. Number 3. Embrace imperfection. The Stoic principle of embracing imperfection is a profound reminder of that. Perfection is an unattainable ideal. All individuals, including yourself, inherently imperfect. This practice encourages you to view each day as a fresh canvas for personal growth, improvement rather than dwelling on past mistakes or shortcomings. Morning self-acceptance. Begin your day by acknowledging and accepting your imperfections. Reflect on your past mistakes not as regrets, but as valuable lessons that have contributed to your growth and wisdom. Understand that making mistakes is an inherent part of the human experience and that they don't define your worth. Growth mindset. Encouraging imperfection aligns with concept of a growth mindset. which is belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. When you approach each day with a growth mindset, you see challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement rather than as threats to your self-esteem. Stoic resilience. Stoicism teaches that you have control over your judgments and responses, even in the face of adversity. Encouraging imperfection is an embodiment of this Stoic wisdom. It empowers you to navigate life's uncertainties with grace and resilience, knowing that imperfections are stepping stones on your path to virtue. Number 4. Reflect on the transient nature of life. This practice encourages you to contemplate the impermanent nature of existence. At a profound level, visualize the vastness of the cosmos in vision. Galaxies forming and dissipating, stars being born and dying, and planets rotating in the endless dance of time. From this cosmic perspective, zoom in, see Earth as a minuscule speck, reflecting on the rise and fall of civilizations, the enduring mountains, and the ever-changing rivers. Finally, bring your focus closer to your own life, understanding it as a mere blink in the grand scheme of things. Visualization isn't meant to diminish your significance, but to emphasize it. Preciousness and brevity of yours existence. This practice underscores the value of each day by encouraging you to prioritize what genuinely matters over trivial distractions and conflicts. Starting your day with this mindset prepares you to navigate it with a deeper sense of purpose and appreciation for the present moment. Number 5. Journal your thoughts. Journaling goes beyond jotting down daily events. It's a sacred act of introspection and self-discovery. Begin your journaling by acknowledging your dreams, exploring their symbolism, and extracting insights from your subconscious mind. Express gratitude not only for material possessions, but also for the intangible blessings in your life, such as the love of friends and family, or the gift of a new day. Reflect on recent challenges and setbacks, dissecting them to uncover valuable lessons and personal growth. Opportunities. Additionally, engage in self-reflection by pondering Stoic principles or personal dilemmas. This isn't an exercise in self-criticism, but one of self-awareness and continuous improvement. Finally, set an intention for the day, framing it within Stoic virtues like wisdom and courage, justice, and temperance. Your journal becomes a reflective mirror, a confidant and a mentor, much like Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, which started as his personal journal, served as a guide to live a virtuous life. Number 6. Set daily intentions, not goals. Distinguish between setting daily intentions and rigidly defining goals. Intentions are like the North Star, guiding your moral compass throughout the day. They transcend specific achievements and focus on embodying your core values and virtues. Intentions might include being more patient in your interactions, approaching challenges with equanimity, or fostering deeper connections with loved ones. For example, if your intention is to be more patient, you'll remind yourself to be. Listen attentively and withhold judgment in conversations. Intentions adapt to changing circumstances, ensuring that your responses align with your inner principles. Practice harmonizes perfectly with Stoicism philosophy, which emphasizes focusing on what's within your control and your intentions, rather than external outcomes. Number 7. Embrace discomfort. Encouraging discomfort is a conscious choice to expose yourself to mild discomfort. As a means of building resilience and mental strength, these discomforts can take various forms. Taking cold showers, foregoing your morning coffee, or intentionally selecting a challenging physical activity. Each discomfort serves as a microcosm of life's unpredictabilities and adversities. Cold showers, for instance, not only invigorate your senses, but also symbolize your ability to adapt and thrive in challenging situations. This practice nurtures a mindset that welcomes adversity as an opportunity for growth and transformation. By voluntarily stepping out of your comfort zone each morning, you become better equipped to face life's more significant challenges with courage and grace. Number 8. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation provide a profound foundation for mental and emotional balance. In the morning, mindfulness invites you to immerse yourself fully in the present moment. As you focus on your breath, you cultivate awareness and presence, calming the mental chatter and reducing stress. Meditation takes you deeper, teaching you to observe your thoughts and emotions without attachment or judgment. Visualize thoughts as passing clouds, letting them drift away. This practice aligns seamlessly with Stoic principles, particularly the distinction between external events and internal responses. It also allows you to contemplate Stoic teachings, making them actionable in your daily life. Mindfulness and meditation nurture inner peace and emotional resilience, helping you approach the day with a clear and tranquil mind. Number 9. Revisit Stoic teachings. Revisiting Stoic teachings involves immersing yourself in the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophers. It's more than just reading. It's a profound engagement with the thoughts and insights of Stoic masters. Marcus Aurelius Seneca and Epictetus select teachings or passages that resonate with your current circumstances or challenges. By internalizing these teachings, you turn them into guiding principles for your day-to-day Stoic writings. Offer insights into rational decision-making, overcoming obstacles, and the pursuit of virtue when facing dilemmas or challenges. You can draw upon these teachings to navigate with wisdom and integrity, as Marcus Aurelius did with his meditations. You transform Stoic philosophy into a personal guide for living a virtuous life. Number 10. Practice Amor Fati. The Stoic principle of Amor Fati invites you to embrace and love your fate, regardless of its nature. This practice requires a profound shift in perspective, encouraging you to see every experience, both favorable and unfavorable, as an integral part of your life's journey. When you encounter setbacks or unexpected events, rather than resisting or resenting them, you greet them with acceptance and appreciation. By practicing Amor Fati, you transform life's unpredictabilities into opportunities for growth and learning. Rain on a planned picnic becomes an occasion for indoor bonding. Traffic congestion becomes an opportunity. Mindfulness and patience. This perspective frees you from the shackles of frustration and disappointment, helping you find joy and purpose in every moment. In closing, as we conclude our exploration of these Stoic-inspired morning rituals, remember that the path to a more fulfilling and purposeful life is an ongoing journey. Just as the Stoic philosophers continually reflected on and refined their principles, it's essential to revisit these practices regularly. In doing so, you reinforce their impact on your daily life. Continually nurture your inner strength and deepen your Stoic appreciation for the precious gift of existence. So I encourage you to return to these principles whenever you seek guidance, inspiration, or a renewed sense of purpose, and embrace the wisdom of Stoicism, and let it serve as a steadfast companion on your journey towards a life imbued with tranquility, resilience, and profound gratitude. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Voyage. If you found value in this exploration, please consider liking and subscribing to support our mission of spreading the profound philosophy of Stoicism. Together, we can continue to cultivate a more Stoic and meaningful way of life.